Niharika. Today I'm going to teach you all present, past and future tense. At the end I'm going to give you a small quiz. Please subscribe to my channel. Present tense, the action which is going on now. Example, Miss Anne is teaching the class. Past tense, the action which has been completed. Maya has slept at 11:30 in the night. Future tense, the action which has to be completed. Lucy will go to Addie's house tomorrow. Now I am going to give you a small quiz. Geeta's mom is going to buy clothes for her. Mia, Max and Presley are playing. She is making dinner. They have completed their homework in school only. The kids are very quiet in class today. Please read the rules and write the answers. These are the answer. First one, future tense. Second one, past tense, present tense. Third one, present tense. Fourth one, past tense. Fifth one, present tense. Check it once again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.